Have you ever considered the benefits of buying a multi-generational home? Let's talk about the affordability factor. According to the National Association of Realtors, sharing expenses like mortgage payments and utilities makes homeownership more achievable. Pooling resources with family members can make homeownership a reality in today's market. Ever dreamt of owning a larger home with more space? With multi-generational living, this dream can become an achievable goal. By pooling resources, 28% of first-time buyers and 18% of repeat buyers are making this lifestyle choice. Your dream home might just be a family decision away. What if you could provide better care for your aging parents while living under the same roof? A multi-generational home offers just that, allowing your loved ones to age gracefully, surrounded by family. Caring for your loved ones while maintaining their quality of life is a benefit you can't put a price on. Navigating the complexities of buying a multi-generational home might seem like solving a puzzle, but you don't have to do it alone. Partnering with a real estate agent who knows the ins and outs of multi-generational living can simplify the process. With the right guidance, finding the perfect home for all generations is a challenge you can conquer. So what's the bottom line? Multi-generational homes bring affordability, enable dream home ownership, simplify caring for aging parents, and can enhance quality of life. Whether it's for financial reasons or the joy of living with loved ones, a multi-generational home might just be the perfect fit for you. Connect with a real estate agent today to learn more.